How to record iPhone calls. Apple's commitment to customer privacy is appreciated, but it may make doing things like recording a call tricky. There are a few things to consider before recording a call on your iPhone. Telephone recording is subject to a variety of legal restrictions that differ from state to state. Apple's iOS doesn't let you capture audio from the phone's microphone when a call is in progress. Simply put, you can't press the record button while having a conversation over the phone. To make phone calls, you'll need either a separate call program like Google Voice or an extra iOS device with audio recording and microphone capabilities. You should also know that some of these third-party apps may have a monthly or annual subscription price. If you have an iPhone and would like to secretly record a conversation, the following method is the most user-friendly option. For the following steps, you'll be using one device using speakerphone to engage in the call. You can use any phone like iPhone or Android phone on speaker mode when you do the call. We will also need an iPhone or iOS device using voice memos to record the call. How to record iPhone calls. To begin, you'll need not one but two iOS gadgets, an iPhone and an iPad or another iPhone, each with the Voice Memos app installed. The Voice Memos app is either already installed on your smartphone or available for free download from the App Store. Launch Voice Memos. Press the red record button and maintain conversation for a sufficient length of time to ensure recordable and ultimately understandable audio. Listen to the recording and tweak it as needed. Play back the file to check the quality of the recorded audio. If it's not clear, make the necessary adjustments before recording a phone call. If the sound isn't very good, try raising your voice volume, turning up the microphone's sensitivity, or moving the speaker closer to your mouth. When you're ready to record, move the device that you will record so that it's next to the calling phone and press the red button again. The recording may be a few seconds shorter if you start it before the call. Start the call on your iPhone. Press the speaker button on the phone you are calling so that are recorded all of the voices. As a helpful hint, the red lines in voice memos show how successfully the program is capturing sound. There is more sound being picked up when the red bars get higher. If the waves continue to be flat, try raising the loudness of the call or bringing the gadgets closer together. In order for voice memos to get a more accurate reading of the volume, you may need to move closer to the phone if the red bars are high. When it comes to recording consent, it's important to know whether the state you're in and the one you're recording in are both one-party states or two-party states. In jurisdictions where only one participant must give permission for a call to be recorded, only your permission is needed. In a two-party state, permission to record is needed from both the recorder and the subject of the recording. When you're finished talking or when you've gotten all the details you need, press the red button again to stop recording. You may transmit a recording to your iPhone through text message, email, AirDrop, or even Google Drive from within the Voice Memos app by selecting the file of the recording and tapping the three dots button. As I mentioned before, this is the easiest way to record a phone call. You can also use other methods, but this might cost money. Using Google Voice. You can use Google Voice over Wi-Fi to make free, recorded calls to other Google Voice users with the iOS app. This app allows you to make calls from any of your connected devices by simply selecting the device you wish to use. If you want to record incoming calls, you may do so by going to Settings, then Calls, and then Incoming Calls and toggling the record option there. When everyone is connected, hit 4 on the keyboard to begin recording and end the call. After the call is over, you can access the recording feature from the menu. Rev Voice Recorder. Another free program that may record conversations and transcribe them afterward is Rev Voice Recorder. Please be aware that the transcription service will cost you. Your downloaded file will automatically convert to MP3 format on your device. These are some ways to record iPhone calls. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.